Here I am. Here I am. Oh, my mic does seem off. Is it still off? Oh, this is weird because I don't hear it as well in my headphones. Like I don't hear the reverb back into my headphones. I feel like it's going through the wrong shit. This doesn't feel right. I don't think this is right, Old Sloppy. No, I know I'm good, but if you look at the like Rodecaster, it's not picking up as much as it usually does, which is weird. It's not going through my headphones like it usually does. That's okay. I don't mind. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Welcome? Do I ever say welcome? The cat jacked it up. Jasmine. She was just here. Hey, everybody. I don't know what I'm going to do today. Someone suggested Dr. Mario, and I'm like, we'll see. But I don't know. I think I have to plug everything back together. And I don't know if I'm feeling Dr. Mario today. I sort of want to like explore the Twitch world. See what everybody else is doing on Twitch. Back to Twitch. All right. Oh, Grim is on? Okay, that's cool. And Wolves, Coda Girl, Nerduino. Aaron is on. Aaron just got on, y'all. That's pretty awesome. I'm excited about that. This is like the chillest music. All right. So as you all know, oops, went to my channel. I had an interview this week, a big deal. And then heard some news that like made me now actively looking for a job, which is pretty exciting. I don't really mind it. I think it's good. Hello. Thank you. Thank you, Buno Kazooie. Congratulations on you learning to code as well. Why are you congratulating me? Is it just a good idea? Bunno, is that what I should call you? Bunno? Are you like Bono, but like the bunny kind? No. Okay. So there have been these like little things that have sort of driven me crazy over time that I don't know. Kind of the not like gaps in my understanding, but like, for example, a whole bunch of things. Yeah, it is a special way of thinking. And you do have to move past a lot of bugs and errors for sure. But no, when did you learn to code? When did you start learning to code? Everybody starts somewhere, right? Like you don't come out as a baby knowing. When was your first entry into the learning to code world? I feel like my camera's really, maybe a little, Benson, maybe a little. I could certainly show what a tautology was. Got the hang of it when I took data structures in 2016. Still learning. We're all still learning, yo. We are all still learning. It does not matter how incredible you are. We're all still learning. I have this weird inkling, y'all, and it might be a dumb inkling. And you all can tell me, but yeah, old sloppy, you learned Python and you were doing Python like 4 or 5 months ago, and you should keep doing Python, I think. I think you've got like the mind for it. I think you'd really like it. Um, so I was thinking of doing Code Crafters and trying to go through the DNS again. I know it was really painful the first time, but like I almost want to see if I could tackle it differently this time. I don't even have to do DNS. I could do like a different project. Do we all want to like look at the projects? I know there are like not a lot of people on right now hanging out with us, but like that's okay. I'm like good with who's here. Like I think it'd be a great idea to just be like, yo, let's take a look. Do they have like an SMT server project? Maybe. Let's check it out, Benson. Like I'm down. I like the way their whole thing is set up. And see. Yeah. So let's look at what they have. There's an HTTP server. Benson, they have an HTTP server. So it's not an SMTP, but I don't know. And maybe is it yeah, DNS, I could finish DNS Faffin, but I was also thinking, and don't call me crazy. Don't call me crazy, but I was thinking of like relearning it. Hey Zion, hey, how you doing? Is my voice funny? I feel like it's cracking on its own, like it's tired. I think I just need a crap ton of water. Make sure I'm hydrating today. All right, let me share my screen for a sec. These are the Code Crafters challenges. I think there's dark mode in here. I know Code Crafters has dark mode, but I don't know where it is. It might be in profile. Let me hug over to profile for a second and see if there's a dark mode in profile. Customize your profile. About, avatar, account, delete my account. Let's see, subscribe, invite your team, referrals, perks forum, get help, status page. Settings. Hold on, there's the settings. Let's see if I can get it in settings. Oh, I'm on settings. There's no dark mode. That's okay. That's all right. I'll live with it. Okay, so there's build your own Git, build your own Redis, HTTP server, build your own BitTorrent, SQLite. That would be fun. You mean just like spin up a SQLite database? I don't know. For me, are kind of quiet. The bubbles were really loud. Yeah. So yeah, that is the funky thing. Like the sound is weird. It's actually been really weird, and right now it's not going through the Rodecaster correctly. I don't know whether the Rodecaster is broken or whatever. Oh, you're just being a bum. I don't think you're a bum, Zion. I think build your own SQLite is actually more about building a database engine from scratch. Oh, that would be cool. Yeah, you're right. I'm silly. My brain is silly. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, did I already say that if I went back to the DNS thing, I think I would try it in C. And I know I would have like a big leap, but or Rust or Go, like just a language that might be more I I don't know. I feel like breaking into something new tonight that maybe I never finish, but Hey, Brando, how's your day going? My day's going okay. It's going okay. I missed a yoga class I wanted to go to, but otherwise, it's all good. I'm feeling happy. The sun was out. I have a hammock now, and Hey, Fluff. Hey, you. How you doing? Fluff, you told me that you got a new profile and went into my Discord, but I couldn't find you, and I was gonna ping you for the new story so we could like have a call and chat, and you could tell me the awesome. Oh, you're sick. Yeah, but that is an excuse for me not knowing where you are. You need to ping me on Discord. But I'm sorry you're sick. I am. What are you doing for me? I'm sorry you're sick. No. Yeah, I hope you get better. Bubbles in the chat for Fluff, everybody. Bubbles! But I was like, I really wanted to talk to Fluff, and I'm so sorry you're sick. Bubbles! Bubbles! Thank you for sending me a friend request. Did I just pressure you, like, in front of the internet? You haven't worked for 3 days? Jeez, I hate being that sick. Dev God, hey. Yeah, so those are IRL bubbles. They're run by an Arduino or a SparkFun Red board that has like rules on it. I think I should do something more fun with that, but we'll see. So okay, so I would like to do C, right? I think I want to do it in C. Oh, okay. C mastery exercise. Okay, but maybe I shouldn't be doing these kind of things in C, but maybe I should. I don't know. So this teaching you? Oh, build your own HTTP server, y'all, is free this month. That means we can do it together. Not that anybody would with me, but like maybe we could do this. This seems fun. Well, okay, hold on. Benson, what'd you say? You said you wanted to do the server, right? You want to do an SMTP server, which would be fun. Let's do HTTP. It's free for one. So that means that like I can just send this to y'all and you can do it with me, which is awesome. So awesome. Yeah, I know it, Fluff. And okay, but the other thing is, should I I think like doing it in C is the right idea. I don't feel like doing it in Python is a good idea. But like I want to get the advice of chat. This is like I'm actively asking for chat advice. Like should I do this in C or Go? Like Go could be a good idea. I just want to do it in a new language. No one should have to torture themselves to do stuff in C. Okay, then should I do it in Go? If you're on Windows, I'd avoid doing it in C. I'll do it in WSL. Uno. So I can C is yeah. So I will be on Windows, but you can do C. I do it in Go or Rust personally if you want to branch out. Okay, Go. Okay, Go. I'm feeling Go. All right, so hold on. C. All right, hold on. Don't want to use Python. You know, Benson, I think that's a good question. There isn't one. I just think like with the difficulties that I had with DNS, I was like feeling like it was the wrong language to do the DNS server in. Like I really should have like even if I'm learning like brand new things, as long as I do this slowly, like it would be good. The compiler is a big helper. If I was going to build an HTTP server, I'd probably want to do it in Golang. Okay. I wouldn't build an HTTP server. Yeah, sure, right? Like I mean, I understand that, but I think I just want to do something different. Okay. So, all right, hold on. So we're saying I'm actually might not leave this up to chat, but I'm getting everybody's like feelings. I feel like Go could be a really good idea. It's a pretty popular language now and it's getting overhyped. Zion, of you of all people saying that, Zion has done a lot of projects in AI, and so I 100% pinning that gray header. Tanawa! Are you my highest vibe? Hold on, what's my vibrating? It's gotta be pretty low. Everybody use their vibrator. Let's see what everybody's vibrating is. Is it off? Oh no. It's off. Whoopsie. I know why that's off actually. It's because I didn't update my certificate. Oh, silly girl. Yeah, my certificate's expired. That's kind of funny, actually. Do I want to redo it now? Not really. No. I'm so upset about the vibrator though. So yeah, actually, maybe I will. It takes no time. Someone remind me of how to do this. I think I can do it. I think I can. I think I can. All right, let's open up terminal. All right, HTTP server. I think I'm going to try the HTTP server. I think I might do it in Golang. Because that's what I'm feeling. Next month, kind of close. Oh. Vibrating is off. Do what Tanawa says. Chat vibes when. Tanawa says. Oh yeah, I'll do whatever Tanawa says. T, what do you think? Should I build my own HTTP server in, I'm doing it in a new language, so this is annoying. Because it's gonna be hard, chat is gonna have to suffer through it with me. So should I do it in Go or C or any of these other languages? I'll do it even in Python. I know you don't like you you don't have to make this decision. I just I don't want to put that on you. You can just chill. Never mind. I don't think I want to do Python. But hold on a minute. It's only free until May 31st. You got to finish it. DNS and Go. DNS. I want to hold on. First I'm going to pull up WSL. So then I can go to let's see. This is going to be empty because it's not. Yeah, okay. Hold on. And is this gonna okay, so so the thing that I want to do is fix my certificate, and I know there's a OpenSSL S client shows certs. So I think this is going to be this is going to tell me that it's not up. So hold on, I'm just going to make sure that's true. It should be that it's expired. Whoa, look at that. All right, hold on. Okay. Spotty, that's okay. Ignore both of those. Okay. Go is more useful for current job market. You'll learn more with C. Hey, Algo. Hey, babe. We'll do one of these. Shouting out my bestie, Algo. Hey, babe. How are you doing? Algo has been back streaming. It's been great to see. Let's see. They don't have any interesting projects in Zig. Golang is a better language to learn on stream. Okay, let's do Go. Let's do Go. I'm down with C. I want to learn C. I really am interested in C, but I don't have to do it on stream necessarily. Like I really like what C teaches me. But I kind of want to learn Go. Honestly, great. I think it's a little like I think it's more exhaust. C is easier to think about. Go is faster. I'm cool. I think I want to try Go. I think I'm feeling like in a go-y. That's an inside joke for myself. Well, I guess an old sloppy. Go-y. I'm feeling go-y. Okay. So what's that cert request? Do I do it off? Do I request the cert? Then I don't remember how to do this. Hold on. Let's encrypt. How much? I want to just fix vibrator first, if that's okay. All right. Cert bot renew. Okay, thanks. Do I do it in hold on. That's weird.
You get a cert. And you get a cert. Everyone gets a cert. Party
Everybody
hat.
gets a cert. Dan Can Go, thank you so much for the sub. Thank you so much. Oh, okay, that's too loud. See, I think something is off. Something is off. I don't know. The cat's out on something. We need to like fix it. Is that better? Just tell me. Is this better? Well, the mic level is having issues. Yeah. I know. All right, I'll just speak. I'll just make out with the mic. But I know. I know. I don't know what happened. It was either the cat. I'll just turn this. Is this better? Tell me that. Tell me what. Tell me that. Is this better? Mic up. Mic up. Is my hair crazy? In a good way? Or is it awesome? My hair is awesome. So I've been doing this like curly girl method, which apparently is supposed to help your hair be more curly. And it is working. Like every once in a while it'll be like curly, but if I brush it at all, it gets out. So, but I'm trying to use like sulfate. You can see like little curls. Look at that. Look at that. My hair's always been straight, but I'm trying to get it. Oh, good. It's like Chico. Thank you. All right. So oh, you turned up the volume. You want to cry? You love my hair. Would you like it? That's what I should do. I should sell my hair. I'm just kidding. No. I mean, like donating it is good, but pretty healthy right now, so I want to keep it. Okay, so I didn't. Show certs is the only thing I've done on this. Oh, hold on. Oh, you know what? I'm on my home computer. Yeah, you're right. I'm silly. I'm so silly. I asked this HFS, but then I'm like, what am I doing? This is so silly. I'm not. I know. I just realized it. I just realized what I did. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Ooh, it involves genetics? I don't know, T. The curly girl method, I think it might work for me. I'm using this like sulfate-free shampoo and it's like bouncing it up, y'all. But I mean, wait, T, you could also that could totally be like a line. Like, girl, I'll teach you my curly methods. All it takes is genetics. I'll teach your kids. I'm not redoing certs on local. Am I? No, I'm not. But you're right. I do need to log into my use server. So let's get out of here. So we're gonna do I think I gotta go. Okay. Um hmm. I guess I didn't. Hmm. Okay, hold on. Do I have to go to root? Okay, that's fine. Is it Sue? Should we switch user? Oh, Hmm. Am I in the wrong spot? Motorcycle oil. Enjoy. Okay. That's all right. Hopefully I can walk through it this time and remember how I did it though. Like a tricky problem? You mean building an HTTPS server in Go or just dealing with the certificate renewal? They've done this before. I don't think it's that insane. I've done it at least twice now, so it's just gonna take me whatever. A healthy let's encrypt second. It's not that big of a deal. TLS and Zig. Ooh. I don't know anybody that's doing that. Are you actually, is that a troll, Benson? Do I do it in the terminal? Okay, cool. So what? You told me it was okay. Aw. You told me it was okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Whoops. Hold on. All right, so it says, please deploy a DNS text record under the name Acme Challenge Chrissy.codes. Okay, got it. I got it. I got you. Oh, that means I gotta go log into DigitalOcean, which is fine. Rookie. I know, I don't do it that much anymore. Text record. And do I just use the same one I had before and just edit it? I got to do it for dev Chrissy codes too. Which is fine. Edit record. Save. Okay, now I have to wait forever, right? So we're going to do dev Chrissy too as well. This may take some time. Okay, it says successfully received. Okay, all right. All right, hold on, but let's do it for Chrissy, dev.chrissycodes too, and then we'll work on some real stuff. It's really not so bad, Hatter. I mean, it's probably, is it more secure? Is that why you tell me to do it, or did you just tell me to do it for funsies? Ah, damn it. Sorry, I just copied the one that's in my DNS. In my droplet. That's what I meant to say. Okay, that was easy. Y'all remember when that stuff would have paralyzed me? Well, I also wouldn't have take. Okay, it's all good. Not a secret. That's fine. I told me you like to cook. Yes, yes. Do I like to bake? Sometimes, yes. Burnt Basque cheesecake? Oh, I've had them. Are groceries expensive? Yes, I know. Groceries are insane right now, Fluff. Sound is gone for me. Just chat for now. Oh. It's easier to set up. Okay, all right, great. So now that we've done that, I'm going to turn off the music for a second because it's bugging me, this one specifically. And I don't know whether it's because it's too loud or I don't know what's going on. The whole sound thing is weird right now. So, okay. So let's do this in Go. I think I have Go living somewhere. Ugh, okay. Except when I first learned Go, I did it in Windows. So I think I want to program in WSL. I kind of want to program as close to Linux as possible. But like if there's no reason to set it up, I'm not doing Rust, Brando. I'm going to do it in Go. I decide as my rules, babe. All right. So let's pick Go. Instructions. Welcome to the Build Your Own HTTP Server Challenge. HTTP is the protocol that powers the web. One of them. One of them. We're not doing it in Rust. In Java? Oh, you did this in Java? Oh, that's so cool. HTTP server. In this challenge, you'll build an HTTP server that's capable of handling simple GET POST requests, serving files, and handling multiple concurrent connections. Along the way, we'll learn about TCP, HTTP headers, HTTP verbs, handling multiple connections, and more. And how. Preferred language. Which would you like to use? We'll create a Git repository with starter code for you to work on. Did you guys see Haskell? Okay. Hold the phone. Did y'all see Haskell? Is it is it time? Would it be insane if I implemented I would would it be in all right, I'll do go. Okay, okay, I'll do go. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. I just Haskell just makes me so excited. But you're right. It's not our time yet. I have to go through other things. I just You're right, you're right. Let's do go. That's not true. I think I've done like a hello world in Haskell. Wait, not IO though. No, you're totally right. No, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Sorry, sorry. I read that wrong. I just skipped over. I said anything and then I got Hello World is just oh no, yeah, yeah, yeah. I just didn't read it correctly. Sorry. Okay, so now we're in Go. Uh how would you describe your experience level with Go? We can tailor your experience accordingly. So I actually have done I've done one Go session. I learned with Ship That Code, who hasn't streamed in a really long time. As a matter of fact, my like favorite girlies on the web, Madeline Patience, Leah T Codes, and Ship That Code. Like those are like my cohort of streamers. Haven't been on in a bit, I feel. Maybe I just like miss their go lives because like Twitch does that weird go live thing where if you don't click on them, they stop showing you, which sucks. It's like so funny. It's like the one thing I don't like when I don't get notifications for people, but um gotta type to T because T doesn't have the so I think I'm gonna do never tried, even though I'm a little bit more than that. Um because I it's not much more and it was like a year ago. So we recommend learning basic Go syntax before attempting this challenge. Exorcism is a good place to start. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let's do that. That's true. I mean, I have like I said, I've started it, but like you're right. You're right. You're right. Let's go ahead and see if we like it. I love just diving in. That is the fun of it. That's the struggle. The struggle is way more fun, but let's make sure we have a Go environment first. Um So let me just start by getting a Go environment. Should I do it apt install Go? Because that's what I was thinking. Like maybe I should do it in Linux. Remove any previous Go installation. So let's get it on Linux. Linux. Where did my terminal go? All right. Am I root? Am I not root? Mm, that's dumb. I mean, I should have administrative access to WSL. I don't know what it means in um WSL. I don't. In Linux, you need to request. Okay. Hey, Peanut. That way you don't delete anything important by mistake. Okay. That sounds good. I used a couple times. Yeah, I can be of some help. Wait. Who said something about Benson? Go once or twice. Oh, okay, cool. How are we doing tonight? We're doing great. We're doing like a free code crafters thing if you want. Oh, that's gonna be like my stuff. Do I still have my code crafters? Yeah, I do. Okay, only Windows has a pop-up and Linux shell has no pop-ups. That makes sense. So, how can I request admin access with WSL then? Should we look it up? Request. That will work? Oh, okay, good. So I wasn't insane. All right, fine. Sudo apt install go. But hold on, someone told me to put it in a different so wait, T, you said to put it in a different folder. I always put my goal compiler in opt go and set path to include opt go bin. Is there like should I do that? Sure. Should I do that? No. Okay. But that's what T said. But T told me to do that. Okay. I might use Go for something other than this project. So I shouldn't? I'm not a Go user yet. Okay, hold on. Well, okay, but does the transition from now to being a Go user, like, is it going to be hard for me to like reverse this? Will my ADHD brain be like, oh, I wish I did this in the first place? Is this advice that I'm taking from Grey Hatter that is going to make me do a non-certbot renew later in life? Okay. Oh, shit. Uh, mm. 437 megabytes of additional disk space will be used. You've been talking in your sleep. Okay, let's turn music back on because, sorry, I just needed a break from it. But now I'm okay. All right, let's blow this up, baby. All right, Golang is installed. All right, great. That's good to know. Random setup shit. Yeah, I know. I know, Zion. I know. I feel you. Okay. All right. So we've never tried. Okay, so now we're gonna try some. let's just dive in. Let's screw this. We'll have exorcism on the side. Let's just dive in because it's way more fun. So do I say beginner? If you're just starting out with Go, Code Crafters can be a good way to learn. We recommend using our code examples feature to see code from other users before attempting each stage. Okay. We shall see. Hey, JD, how are you doing? So y'all, JD is doing a 1-year affiliate anniversary thing on Saturday. Go check it out. Please give JD a follow and some support. JD is a member of the Claw with me. I don't do much for the Claw, so I'm trying to like organize a raid train for them. I might even not like be in it. I might just like organize it. We'll see. I don't know. But like I just feel like I haven't done anything for the team, so I really want to organize something for them. I am using WSL. Yes, I am. Okay, next question. How often do I intend to practice? Fuck you. I have ADHD. Go fuck yourself. How about once a month? No, I do not want accountability. I completed this step. Okay. You've prepared a starter repository with some Go code for you. So do I have to set up my path first for Go? That's it. Nothing for the club because stress is a hell of a thing. Yeah, stress is the only thing. All right, we got to make sure that our path is set up though, because otherwise I might not be able to like do anything with this. Maybe it's there. I have no idea what WSL does with paths. So, but we also have to get into, gotta go into mount, I think, right? What the hell? There. Where do I go? See? And then Twitch. Wait, desktop? Okay. Went users, then Twitch. Okay, and then CD desktop, Twitch app. All right. Sorry, I just wanted to make sure. What am I doing? I am, because that's where I do all my practice. That's where like all of my, so I have a code crafters folder in here for like practice and stuff. So see? What, you don't want me to do it? What? Do you see I have a code crafters folder? It's so special. It's specifically for code craft. Oh no. I am disappointed. I'm disappointed you. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna have a heyday with learning brand new Go. Clone the repository. This says copy, but it's 2 lines. Why would I do that? Let's see how this works. That feels weird. All right. Push and empty. I'm gonna type everything because I kind of like this style of that better. So let's do this. Okay. And then we're going to make this pretty. so that we can see all the rules. Actually, this should probably be like this. My code will be underneath. That doesn't seem right. What's the best setup for this? I wish I could just hide. Oh, I can. And this needs to be hidden too, but that's fine. I don't like this. Hold on. I'm just trying to pick a good setup for y'all so it doesn't drive us crazy. Faffin! I think I do this one here and then this. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what a good setup is. Psychotic window layout. I like have no ideas right now. Yeah, the assumption is not using the Go HTTP package because I want to just learn. I'm just learning. I'm just like, I'm learning how shit works, how to read protocols. It just feels like, all right. Guys, I don't know what to do. I can't, my brain cannot compute right now. This is ADHD. If you don't know, this is what the fuck it is. And it's awful. This is the awful side of ADHD. Just so you know. Cannot. No, it is for me. It is for me. Maybe it's not for you, Hatter, but it certainly is for me. Having like a perfect layout and perfect everything. I know, T, I don't know. It's like I don't know what's happening. Here, how's this? I like that better. Okay. I just had to move me. I know there's like stuff that like shows up there, so whatever. But old Slappy will have to just be mad at me. What is it? Undo? If I press undo, okay, good. All right, perfect. I'll do it undo at the end. ADCC, sound coming through again? Oh, great. Okay, good. All right, so we're gonna do git commit, allow empty, m test, git push origin master. Beautiful. I've completed setup. We've prepared a starter repository with some Go code for you. Okay. Git push received. The first stage is now complete. Whee! How to pass this stage. Since this is the first stage, we've included some commented code to help you get started. To pass this stage, simply uncomment the code and submit your changes. All right. What are you doing? Navigate to app server go. I did clone, yes. Yeah, I created a directory from my code. Okay, so now I'm going to navigate to app server.go. Does it not have one? Oh, because I need to navigate to it. Okay, so I need to do, am I using NeoVim or Vim? Levenstein distance? Since we're doing ADCC, we're Levenstein distance to one of them. Have I been doing NeoVim? I feel like I've been doing Vim. I feel like all of my NVim wasn't working well. It's very friendly of them. Well, I don't know. Let's go see. NVim server.go. Let's look. I mean, that is prettier. So maybe it's NVim. I have no idea, but I'm all messed up. And I kind of want this to be wider. So I'm actually just going to take this a little bit wider. Okay. So uncomment this block to pass the first stage. Okay. Is there a quick uncomment in any of them? There's got to be. Do I need to like, okay. Do visual? That was weird. Shift V? Huh. That's Control V. I don't know. Hold on. What's this? El's Dragon. Welcome on in. What is up? How are you? Welcome on in. Hello, Raiders. Thanks. You deserve it. You earned it. These 6 beats are for you, Els. How are you doing? What were you up to? We are doing is my sound weird again? I feel like my sound's weird again. We're doing, that's fantastic. We're doing building an HTTP server in Golang because I was like, oh, what is the hardest way to learn a new language? Let's build an HTTP server in it. Yay! I'm insane. So how insane are you? What are you doing today? I know. Good. Okay, cool. You like doing things the hard way. That's awesome. Els, do you mind if let's see. What did you do on stream today? What did followers of Els, what did Els do on stream today? Anything fun? Are they a good streamer? Please give me the DL. All you raiders, give me the DL on Els. We're making NES Lite gun game. Oh, sweet. Oh, hell yeah, artist and coder. That's amazing. All right. Well, I got to uncomment something. Benson, you said to highlight the top left and then Control V to go to, it's not working. I don't know why. It's like keeping the Windows capability, which doesn't make any sense. This is visual mode. And I did Shift V, visual block mode, then down. move down to the bottom right and hit X. Well, that didn't work. That was not what I wanted to do at all. I know, for real. Visual block mode. But I tried that. So look, Control V, and that's just a fucking paste. Sorry, I was reading above before, so give me a sec. Do I bother with Vim config or do I do Vim NeoVim config? I feel like we moved everything to, oh, okay. I just have these two different configurations and it's awful. And I don't want it. It does use CRT. Also, the game uses Rob. The robot. You fly a giant robot and fight off dragons from Hawaii? That sounds amazing. That sounds so much fun. Vim is fun. It's just annoying to configure when I'm like not. I don't know. What do I do now? I'm like, Vim is easy after 10 years of use. Do I change this? Enter? I don't know what to do. So, Els, I'm using this thing called Code Crafters to teach me all this like software stuff, but it's really, really hard. Although, I don't know, I haven't even started it. So right now I'm just trying to uncomment code and I can't even do that. That's how you know it's not you, it's your environment. Vim is hardcore for the real folks, so I think that makes you hardcore. I think you can be hardcore in any IDE, but thank you, Benson. I'm all the cores. I'm softcore, hardcore, innuendo core, all the core. I'll do all the cores. Multi-core. Multi-core. I'm a multi-core. This is my terminal. Yeah. Oh, I see. It's terminal being a jerk face. Okay, so you know what? You know what though? You know what? You know what? Graybeards, you use Emacs? I use a Nano beef viper. I don't use Nano. What's the other Nano one? The one that's like, it's like the other, before Nano was Nano. There's like another one that's like insane to use. That you can like redirect where it opens. I don't know. It's hilarious. Ooh, Notepad is good. Oh, Els Dragoon. That's awesome. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, my new friend. Thank you so much. You rock. I'm glad you you rated and you followed. What I mean, I guess that is like sort of the Anima what is it? Felt cute, might unfollow later. Neo Nano. Par for the Twitch. Yeah, I got you. I got you. But you know, sometimes you find new friends. It could be today. If it's not today, that's okay. It's all good. I got you. All right, so let's get out of here and let's just do it. We're just, you know what we're going to do? We're just going to deal with it and just like do regular deletes. So I'm going to delete word. Now that is not what I wanted to uncomment. All right, that's fine. So uncomment this block to pass the first stage. Do they mean the whole block, like with main? I feel like they don't. We recommend using an editor since you need to edit this file in the next step. Okay. Okay. So I navigated to it, uncomment this netos and these. So not okay. So the L to the OS. Okay. So this is what they want me to uncomment now. Okay. And leave this. Oh, nope. Also this. Yeah. You want to see some Lego? I was thinking of just doing Lego tonight. I have this like friends Lego that I've been wanting to put together that might be really fun to put together. All right. Mark is complete. Okay, so we uncommented all the things they wanted me to. And let's mark that as complete. And it looks like go. So you do an import function, then function main and an open bracket, and then format print print line L and error C is set to equal net.listen. So net.listen is from the package. Sorry, I'm just going through because I don't know the Go language. So, all right, net.listen is through the package. So we're listening for TCP. That must be like the protocol it's listening for. And then via this port. So 0.0.0.0.4221. Okay. If error is not equal to nil, then print failed to bind to port 4221. So this is interesting. Oh, so error should be equal to nil. So error is expecting to be. So you get returned an error? Oh, no. It looks for error and it gets nil. Got it. os.exit1. OS is interesting here. What is OS? Like anytime something says OS, it's like operating system. That scares the shit out of me. Why would I want to exit my operating system? Okay, every go. That's fucking terrifying. Why do I want to exit my operating system? Why would I want to do this? What is this? Why would I run this code? That's why you don't like Go, because it like says get the fuck out of my operating system. I don't love this. This makes me nervous. Exit is asking your OS to close the program. Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay. All right. Oh, because it's listening via the port. So it's saying like, if it, okay. All right. I see. Okay. I see. So this L, I don't know what this is, but apparently this returns some kind of data structure that's sort of like a tuple in Python. One of them is L and the other is error, right? Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy the lurk, Els. Hey, and you rock for rating tonight. Thank you so much for coming in. If I come around and you are on when I'm not, I'll get you back, okay? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful night. That was not the English, the British version. Maybe I should do this. The anime. Ah, who doesn't think I'm adorable? I think I'm adorable. Just tonight, though. OS is the package. Okay, that's cool. Doesn't have generics. So much of what I've done in my career, or like the entire microservice requires them basically. I guess you can do the interface and just go up interfaces. I don't know. I don't know the answer to any of your questions. Okay, so then we have like an underscore and an error equals L. So this must be some syntax I have to pay attention to, this L comma error. So I guess you get a return and then an error return for everything. Is that what you were saying, Gray Hatter? that every go function returns an error for you. So this is going to return the function return and then the error. It always returns the error. Okay. All right. I think I'm getting this. Compiler time generics, but not runtime generics. Well, isn't that true for like, I feel like, okay, anyway, I don't know. If I start saying things, I'm going to know like 1% of what I'm talking about. So I've heard that PHP has similar issues like that, but I don't know whether it's generics or something else. Types, type something, something. I don't know what I'm talking about. That's okay. Someday I will. Someday my prince will come. Sorry, that's sorry. All right. So we've done this and we're sort of understanding what's happening here in the code. So we're gonna go ahead and say write and quit, and then we're gonna git commit it. So we're gonna git add dot because why the not? And then we're going to git commit allow empty with the message pass first stage, which can be any message, but I'm gonna just might as well do what they want me to do. Allow empty pass first. I'm gonna say first because it's more fun that way to break the rules. And then git push origin master. And this should pass. So we'll see. Okay. Are we having fun tonight, everybody? I feel like, you know what? I feel like I'm in such a jolly mood that I'm ignoring how everybody else is doing. So how is everybody else doing? Fluff, I know you're sick. There's really only one thing I've ever done that needed runtime generics and was for super weird database objects. Dude, Fluff, you've done some cool fucking shit. You have done some cool shit. Can we trade memories so that I think I've done cool fucking shit? I would love that. You guys, I want to know like how many of you would actually go. It's so cool though, Fluff. Bubbles! You can tell I'm happy. Cool shit bubbles. That's true. I have done cool shit. You're right, Alan. As here, Alan is like planting like web gardens. You've done cool shit too, Alan. Oh, did I not? Did you get you got an auto shout out? Yeah. I am happier now that there's bubbles too, Faffin. How do the Gen Z do their hearts? That's not right. Is this right? I swear to God, I'm not high. I was just built this way. All right, our first Go program, everybody. I didn't write a single line of it, but it worked. All right, so let's look at this baby for a second. You can now bind to a port, mark bind to a port as complete. We recommend reviewing the code you just uncommented. You need to build on it in the next stages. Click the button below to move on to the next step. Whee! Okay. In this stage, wait a minute. In this stage, I'll create a TCP server. Okay, that listens on port 4221. I don't like this song. I'm going to switch it. Does anybody want some music? Like other music? Let's just do some millennial mixtape. Why not? Tim McGraw. Oh, no, you're in a plane? What is this? I like it. I love it. No, thanks, Tim McGraw. I love you, but no, not right now. Fashion to make oldies. Mm-hmm. oldies. It's not oldies till I have gray hair. All right, your tester will execute your program like this, and the tester will try to connect to your server. Connection must succeed for you to pass this stage. Okay, so we did that. How to pass a stage. Okay, so this is the next stage. We're going to go ahead and pop this up. In this stage, you'll implement your own solution. Unlike stage 1, your repository doesn't contain commented code to pass this stage. Read instructions. I don't know why concert tickets are so much money now. I get it. If I ever did a concert, I would charge everyone nothing. As a matter of fact, I'd have to pay them to come. But I still would throw a concert. I feel like we need more people who just want to fucking sing. Remember, like, when we used to gather in the mountains and put on giant festivals that were just free and everybody made love and did drugs? I don't either because it was the 60s. I know, Buff. I know, for real. Well, and like, I mean, we talked about Taylor Swift tickets. They're like a grand. Even like sports tickets are ridiculous. Sportsu kipu. Sportsu kipu. Sports tickets. Ongaku. Is that how I say music? Ongaku kipu. Ongaku no kipu. Maybe that's how you say it. Somebody else in here speaks Japanese, right? I'm not the only one. I don't speak Japanese yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there. All right. Read your task card below. Oh, the task card below contains a description of what you need to implement to pass tests. We also recommend taking a look at the code examples and the screencast. Mark this as complete once you read the instructions and are ready to implement your solution. All right, let's read this task, baby. In this stage, does anybody have the HTTP, like a link to the HTTP protocol so that I can read that in conjunction with this? Also, I never go see Elton John again. I love the man's music, can play handfuls of songs. Beautiful. Did he suck to see live? I've heard he has grown worse to see live, but oh, okay. Konnichiwa, Fluff. Okay. Status line, 0 or more headers, each ending with CRLF, optional response body. In this stage, no, you didn't. See, Fluff, I told you you're not boring. I have a question. Is the Spotify music loud for anybody else or is it just me? Because I feel like for me, I'm hearing it at the same level of my voice and I feel like I'm friggin' yelling tonight. Feels weird. Oh, okay. Do I have to accept your Discord friendship before or can you just send them? Okay. All right. So let's understand what's going on here. I've seen you. Maybe I haven't seen pictures of you, but we're going camping, so I'm super quiet. I don't understand why I'm so quiet tonight. I hate that. Let me Google that for you. No, it's not. I just asked if anybody would send it to me. I wasn't like saying "Mm, but I don't know where the best place to go for it is. You are funny. That's what I'm talking about. RFC, thank you. That's what I meant. I'll come to Colorado. I'm not in Chicago. Wait, I'll come to Colorado 100%. All right, hold on. Let's be Discord official. I'll be Discord official with you. My favorite boys are pharmacy boys or ex-pharmacy boys. Fluff, you see my face all the time. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. We all have our own privacy levels. It's fine. I get it. I get it. I just added you though. Okay. This document specifies an Internet Standards Track protocol for the Internet community and requests discussion and suggestions for improvement. Can you imagine if someone was like, you got to improve HTTPS? I'm close enough to Chicago? What? I hate camping too, Fluff. Me too. I don't hate it. You know what I want to do? I want to sleep in my hammock with like with a like mosquito net over it. That's like what I want to do. And on my deck. Like that's it. And I want to be able to go into my house when I'm cold. 6 hours from Chicago. No, I go to Chicago a lot. I travel to Chicago a lot. No, but I'm in the Northeast Bay. Mm-hmm. Yes. Fluff. Yes. Actually, you should just be like, I'm taking Chrissy on one of my like European trips. We've known each other for like 2.5 years now on the internet. I think it'd be fine. And I'll play guitar. Chicago karaoke? Yeah. Of course I want to go to Europe. What do you mean come to Europe? Are you in Europe right now? Hey, Cesar, how are you doing? All right. We're not doing status of this memo. Hypertext framework is application distributed collaborative hypermedia information system. Hypermedia. It is a generic stateless protocol, which can be used for many tasks beyond its use for hypertext. Name servers, distributed object management systems, DOMs. I will take the beach. Okay, am I just doing like a world tour to see everybody? Oh yeah, that'd be awesome. JD, I go to Milwaukee a lot. Milwaukee and Chicago, but a lot. So, Zion, am I visiting you too, Bay? Montreal. It's like a part of Europe in North America. Amen to that. Am I programming in JavaScript? No. I'm programming in Go. Am I programming in anything right now? Not really. I'm reading HTTP protocol. Whoo! Dude, okay. I just have to, can I just talk about this for a second? How does anybody do this? Like, I get this wasn't one person. Okay? We still don't speak enough in Spanish. No hablamos en español, Fluff. Necesitamos practicar más. Yeah, what version are we on? What version do I need? What version HTTP protocol are we on? Fuck you. 3, 1. 3. Okay. So do I need to look up 3? Making a scary game. Does a bear murder in the woods? Is that like purifying in the middle of nowhere, BC? Oh, I would love to chase some waterfalls. Did I fix vibrator? Hold on. I did, but let's re the fuck, come on. It's still giving me a cert has expired. I feel like I've done this before. Hold on. Yeah, okay, my cert still isn't. Well, I wanted to see why vibrator wasn't working. No, I didn't. Oh, what are you sorry about, Benson? No, 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 no. I'm not running on, not my server. Hold on. Sorry, everybody. Come on. The fuck? Wait, delete user? I think they're banned. Wait, what user? What are you talking about? Old Sloppy is sleeping. Vibrating is not working. This is frustrating. Did I mess up? What if we just talk? Chat. All right. Why did the bot break? Yeah, Siri bot took care of. No, Siri bot took care of it. It should have been fine. Hey, Squad Supreme, how you doing? T, do you want to be a mod? So the only reason I don't make T a mod in stream, not because I don't trust T 100%, but it's because I like being like a place of solace and no responsibility for T. SiriBot did too. If I've programmed in HackerRank before? Oh, hold on. Back up, Cesar. What did you say? In the future, when I know how to handle programming, I'm going to program in HackerRank for better skills. Oh, yeah. HackerRank seems like a good program. I really like the way they Twitch must be being buggy, yeah. Or maybe I need to. Oh, okay. And it is hidden. It's hidden for me. It went away really quickly. So what is wrong? Like, I don't understand what's wrong. Come on. Now, someone just, do I have BTTV? I don't have BTTV. I don't like BTTV. Do I have BTTV? I don't think I do. So it looks like it's just invalid. I don't understand what's happening. I'll have to see what's up with this. So return error message. Return body.promise reject. New fetch error. Invalid JSON response at this URL. Reason error message. Invalid JSON response. Dev.Chris goes vibrator chat. Reason unexpected token. Less than in JSON at position 0. Maybe I messed up the code. All right, we're not going to work on that right now. I guess vibrator doesn't work right now. Sorry, guys. It's fine. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right, so what does this say I have to do next? In this stage, my server's response will only contain a status line. Here's the response your server must send. HTTP 1.1 200 OK. So why? Can you help me understand? I did restart my server, yes. You can tell because when you go to chrissy.codes, if I do vibes, I don't remember what it is, what the endpoint is, but if you go to chrissy.codes, it's here. Oh, dev.chrissy.codes. You're right. I don't think I did. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. 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 Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Doesn't it restart the whole thing though? Oh, no, 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 because I'm in chrissy.codes root. Okay, so let's get out of here and do SSH root at dev.chrissy. Oh, it's a different problem. I don't do this. I think you're right because my dev is on the same server. You're right. It's a different problem. I don't know. Everybody's right. I'm right. It's on the same server, so it shouldn't be. Okay. So, all right. So an HTTP response is made up of 3 parts, each separated by a new, what is this? /r and a new line. What's /r? /r/n. I don't remember. Status line. Carriage return. Oh, okay. Okay. 0 or more headers, each ending with CRL. Oh, CRL. Okay. Optional response body. Okay. In this stage, your server's response will only contain the status line. Brilliant. Here's the response your server must send. HTTP. Here's a breakdown of the response. HTTPS, a status code, and an optional reason. So in this case, do I send 200 as An HTTP 1.1 message consists of a start line followed by a message can be either a request from a client to server or a response from server to client. The two types of messages differ only in start line. Oh. It is either a request line or a status line. I see. In theory, a client could receive requests and a server could receive responses, distinguish them by their different start line formats. In practice, servers are implemented to only expect a request. A response is interpreted as an unknown or invalid request method. All right. And so if I had just gone to Vim and and then I do like sitting there in the balcony in summer air. 69 YouTube subs. Oh, hell yeah. I had like one day, JD, that like looks like I had 489 viewers from YouTube. And I'm like, I don't believe this. All right, you should return status code 418. If you don't want to send 200, okay, you can send 418. I'm a teapot. Put the hammer down and ban them all around. Begging you, please don't go. Am I multi-streaming? Where? On YouTube? No, I just put my VODs on YouTube, Faffin. I don't multi-stream. I kind of like, the thing is, I think multi-streaming is for people who give a shit about growing. And I guess I do a little. Like, I would love to be a famous streamer. That'd be cool, but like, I'm not gonna work at it. That's why I just like
you can do it.
People. Oh, thanks. Okay. So, as I'm thinking about this, right? So I'm listening, and if error is not nil, I don't want to, hold on. If error is nil, okay, so if error is nil, hold on. We're going to listen. We're listening. Okay, and if l.accept, if error not equal to nil, format print error accepting connection, OS exit. But what if, okay, so what I'm thinking is if error is nil, I don't really, I want it to, okay, so it's going to be outside of this. So here, this is where I want to add any code, right? And so I want to do, so this underscore is l.accept, whatever that means. So let me go look at the net.listen and what it returns, right? Net.listen. Okay, the net package provides a portable interfaces for network input-output, including TCP, IP, UDP, domain name resolution, and Unix. Although the package provides access to low-level networking primitive, most clients will need only the basic interface to provided by the dial, listen, and accept functions. Listener interfaces. Okay. This is what I'm listening for. Okay, so for this one, this says like go handle connection right here, right? But that's not what I want to do. right now. Connection, air, LNX. Okay, I see connection. Oh, handle connection. Oh, I see. I see. So basically this underscore that they're telling me, this is the connection for L dot accept, and it's gonna like take whatever the line or L dot accept is. Interesting. Okay. So I just want to return a start line, but I think, do I need to do, so do I, okay, hold on. So if I want to, like if I just did go handle connection and then I did this, then it would maybe work, but I want to know what that is first. What's up, Gray Hatter? Did you say something? So here's what I'm worried about, right? So the same sort of thing that I was like doing before in terms of like bit conversions. EBNF. Oh, okay. Go ahead and just look at other. How goes shenanigans? Shenanigans goes well. How goes your shenanigans? Have you done any music? Should I look at code examples? Is there a code crafter's guide? Let's see. Oh, do I have to convert any of this to bytes before I send it, like this 200 status code, like I was doing for the DNS? Or is there like some sort of go function? I'll send a string. Okay. So then if I'm going to send a string, then let's see how to do that in Go. Okay. W3 schools. Is it just return? All right. So then my next question is for this like connector here, this is Go right now, Go code, drinking code. Although I do, oh, you know what? I should change my tags because I feel like I have Python on my tags. And I usually do code in Python, but today I'm coding in Go. But I'm Golang. Beginner, I'll go ahead and put that. And let's take out girl, cozy. Do I look cozy right now? Vim, closed captioning, English, ADHD. All these are legit though. Let's pull programming off, I guess. No, let's leave programming. We'll take, you know what we'll do? We'll take Golang down and we'll put, or Golang beginner and put Golang up. Oh, maybe not. Cozy, I'll just take that off. Okay, there we go. Tags are better now. Oh yeah, I'm just learning new stuff. Send a string does not equal return a string. Okay, so what I do, net dot send or net? Hold on, let me see. All right, so what is, so let me just think about what's actually happening. So I am listening on this port. If I can't connect to the port, then boo, have it exit the communication or connection. Okay, if I can listen to the port, right? Then let's see. So then this is going to come through. This L, whatever L is going to come through. And L dot accept means that I'm going to accept the request, right? Here. So I'm guessing this, I'm going to accept the request here. And since this is the return of net.listen, let's go ahead and look at what that is. The connection. I'm going to accept the connection. Okay. I see. Okay. Accept the connection. Oh, I see. Error accepting connection. I understand. Okay. So I need to write more code because I'm waiting for a request, right? Okay. So the next thing I need to write is listening for the request on the connect, not specifically, but no, waiting for the request is later. Okay, that's fine. So then let's understand this a little bit better. So then the tester will send a get request just as return a string. Oh, does it? All right. Your server's response will only contain a status line. Here's the response your server must send. Okay. So I don't think this is correct, but but that's okay. Yeah, let's see, right? It's a good idea. Like, right. Okay. So my main function is connecting, fine. And then on TCP, on the port, it will call through input. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to think. You're right. Okay. So upon connection, I don't want to return HTTP 1 200 OK, right? Well, me Omniplex, you don't have to like know anything about Go to like help me think through this. Why not? Opening the port, listening to the port. Okay, if we accept the connection, fine. The connection is between net listen. Oh, accept the connection. The connection is the connection between the client and the, you're asking an easy question. I know. Hold on. I don't even remember what I said though. So that's hard. What am I trying to do? I am trying to return a string. Well, I'm trying to return the status line. Will only contain the status line. So I'm responding with the status line. So the tester will send Oh, I see. We'll send a get request and then I must respond. Okay, I see, I see, I see, I see. I see, I see. So this should work, right? Responding to the get request, to the connection, to the get request. What is my code doing? It's establishing a connection, accepting the connection, and then returning the string. Where is this string going to go? It needs to go, if error is not equal to nil, if it is equal to nil, returning to the request, the curl request, the connection with the client who is requesting. It's returning to the tester. What does return do? It stops listening. It would leave the function. Return would exit the function. Okay, I see what you're saying. So I don't want to return it. I want to send this. I want to send this. This is different than returning. Okay, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. So then there's probably like a net dot send or something, which isn't, I'll look for the real function, but it probably is something that has to do, yeah. Me Omniplex's suggestion. What was your suggestion? Lowercase l? Oh, L. The connection. L is the connection. Oh, I see. So L dot send. I see. I see. Okay. All right. All right. I see. All right. So let me go back to the net package. So what is net? So what does net do? Is this going to work? It's fine. It's a net object or whatever. This is net.listen. Okay, never mind. I probably don't want to use this. Well, I do, but it's like, it's a net object or something. It's returning whatever net.listen returns. The connection. I'm accepting the connection, and now I need like to know what to do with it. Dial? Okay, I will. This API, I will. I will do that. I think that's what I need to do. Package net provides this one or the code crafters one? This one. Okay. Package net provides a portable interface for network IO. Okay. TCP, UDP. Okay. Package provides access to low-level network. Dial, listen, and accept functions. I wonder if it's dial. And the associated connection and listener interfaces. Oh, okay. So I wonder if con is what I want. Oh. Okay, hold on. Look up host, look up address, look up CNAME, look up host, look up port, look up text, parse CIDR, type, split host port, address, function, address error, buffers, connection. Okay, so let's see. Read reads data from the connection. Read can be made to timeout and return an error after a fixed time limit. So I don't know. Oh, I see. Write. So maybe I wanted to use write. Write is attached to, it writes data to the connection. Write can be made to timeout and return an error after a fixed time limit. Write is attached to the connection interface. So I need to instantiate a connection. Well, I have a connection interface, right? This is that, or is it not? Let me read accept first. Let me read accept first. That's what I need first. Let's see, because I want to know what it, here we go. This is a TCP listener. Okay, cool. I don't know it. I'm guessing. Oh no, this is not accept. Okay, here we go. TCP accept. Connect. So it gets a connection. It gets a connection instance right here. See, con. Brilliant. Okay, so I can do l.write. But it, hold on. The issue here though is, okay, hold on. So the only thing I'm having an issue with here is, hold on, plug this up. All right, hold on. Is that it writes in bytes? Is this just going to automatically convert? Let me go look. So it needs bytes. Can I just send the bytes as string? N integer error error. Okay. Wait, I thought I got it. And net.listen returns a connection object and an error. But I already said that. Or does it just, yeah, the con or a connection? Oh, I'm wrong. Okay, damn. Well, okay, but when I went to accept, okay, see, accept returns the CONN. Yeah, but that is right here. Oh, I see. Thank you. All right, and I don't know if this is going to be, like, if this is going to convert this to bytes or whatever, but because, like, I don't know. It said B bytes or whatever. So we'll just have to see. Yeah, I'm sure there are going to be errors and I'll have to, like, do some sort of byte conversion or bit conversion or whatever. Okay, so now we go back to code crafters. Dude, I have a question for everybody hanging out with me right now. Isn't this so much less agonizing than the first time I went through code crafters? Well, we'll see, right? But I am being a little bit mean to my old self, which is not nice because I'm just in a better place than I was then. So DNS was fun. All right, so maybe I'll fix it, Fluff, but right now I think the tester isn't going to give a shit because it's wrong anyway. I think I do the get pass second test. No, I gotta git add first and then git commit second. Test. And then, oops. All right, and then we'll do git push. And it will tell me if I'm wrong. All right, so it says running test for stage, your server command line cannot use underscore as value or type. Oh, okay. Well, fine. So let's go ahead and just save that. So we'll just say delete. They just probably didn't want to give it to me. Both are lazy. Oh, I see. Hold on. Yes, maybe, but all right, hold on. Oh, I failed to connect. Hold on, my connection was refused. Wait a second. Running test for stage I4. More than one character in rune literal. Undefined connection. Okay, I gotcha. No, I think I know what is happening. So, so I just need to define the type. The connection needs to be a type. Say, is that what it is? Or is it like a return something? Golang is trash. Uh-oh. Zig does this for you. Oh. I need the colon. Look at the listen line. Oh, I see. Okay. I've got you. Got you. More than one character in rune literal. Is there another one I did bad? It's just a sign. Failed to create connection. Dial CP. Didn't it connect before? I don't understand. Not yet. Not yet. I'm not ready yet. Because I think that I might be able to get it from what I have here. Do I need second line. No. Okay. Right stated that an right can be made to timeout and return timeout. Right deadline. Okay. This n returns an n, which is an integer, and an error. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm missing some Go information that I could use. Yeah, I was just gonna say, Gray Hatter, that I am missing some Go language information that I could ask about, and that would help. So I'm ready for the hint now. What's up? What's up, friend? Right. Okay. So does it have to do Go comes from C? Okay. So right now, this is not it has no idea why. Do I need to like return an N and what is a string in C? A string is an array of bytes. It's an array of bytes. Octets, sure. What's the C name? Not string. It's can't remember. I can't remember. What? It's not void. Character? Chair. Character, I said it. Okay. All right. And so, a car. Yeah, car. I mean, it's in some docs, sure. Okay, so because it's a character, yes, you can fit an emoji in. No, they're bigger. They're bigger. I just said no. Yeah, they're too big. But you can fit. I still only have one of them. Correct. Sorry, I had an itchiness. A rune? What the fuck is a rune? A rune. Oh. Okay. All right. All right. A rune is a character, but with more bits, with more bytes, more. Oh. Wolfred! Rune is alias for int32. Hi, Wolfred. Too much stuff make a rune. Okay. The error is too much stuff to make a rune. Okay, so do I have to do bit packing here then? It's making a rune because of the forward slashes and backslashes. Why is it making a character? What do I want? I want the B in front. I want I'm just I know. I know. Hey, come on. That was more of a joke. I wasn't gonna use it. Um Okay. So do I want it to be an array? So if it's an array, do I need to make this an array? And then I'll be solid? If I want a character, you write /n for hex 20. Whoa. Mm-mm. Vaguely. Hold on. Can I look, or do you want to just tell me? Okay. Boolean string int Boolean. Oh. Okay. String versus rune. I have a rune. I want a string, but I don't have enough language context. Okay, that's fair. A string is an array of characters.
Jujule it.
All right. I think it's Google. Oh, here we
It's
go.
Jujule.
Okay.
How would a computer like to eat a string? Nom nom. Did I just get trolled? Gavin. Such a good redeem. This one's for you because nobody uses it anymore. Celebrate! Okay. Okay, so a string is an array of characters. So this is where exorcism would be a good start. Okay, hold on. Let's take an exorcism break then. This is okay to do. I'm learning a new language. It is okay to do. Let's do a little bit of Go for a minute, and it will give me good base. Sure, whatever. What? Don't do it? Don't do this? Google? Well, oh, okay. All right. All right. Ugh, fucking Oh no, this is on rune. Since the rune type represents a Unicode character, a string in Go is often referred to as a sequence of runes. However, runes are stored as 1, 2, 3, or 4 bytes depending on the character. Due to this, strings are really just a sequence of bytes. Sure. Okay. Do I need rune versus byte here? Are you trying to ban me? Wait, got me too? Oh. Hold on, I'm catching up. Okay. Go string is a read-only slice of bytes. The language and standard library treats strings specially as containers of text encoded in UTF-8. In other languages, strings are made of characters. In Go, the concept of a character is called a rune. It's an integer that represents a Unicode code point. Oh. S is a string assigned a literal value representing the word hello. In the Thai language, Go string literals are UTF-8 encoded. Since strings are equivalent to byte, this will produce the length of the raw bytes stored within. Indexing into strings produces the raw byte values at each index. Tablets. Why are we banning Faffin? Oh, because of the troll. Yeah, I should ban Faffin too. Oh, shit, sorry. I already did this though. This I opened. I already had it opened. Okay, the previous box explained how slices work. Should I learn how slices work first? Using a number of examples to illustrate the mechanism behind their implementation. Building on that background, No, no, no. It was fine. That's why it's here. I'm teasing you. We appreciated the troll. It's funny. Should I understand slices before, or you think that I'll just like fall out? Strings and go at first. Strings might seem too simple a topic for a blog post, but to use them well requires understanding not only how they work, but also the difference between a byte, a character, and a rune, and the difference between Unicode and UTF-8, the difference between a string and a string literal, and even other more subtle distinctions. Okay, I have a question. Why would you fucking bother? Like, we have so many beautiful languages that just deal with strings really easily. Is this just like more efficient or some shit? Oh, that's cool. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. One way to approach this topic is to think of it. I like that a lot, actually, that it's like multilingual, although a lot of people code in English. But, okay, building on that background, this post discussed strings and Go. Blah, blah, blah. One way to approach this topic is to think of it as an answer to frequently asked questions. When I index a Go string at position n, why don't I get the nth character? As you'll see, this question leads us to many details about how text works in the modern world. An excellent introduction to some of these issues, independent of Go, is Joel Spolsky's famous blog post, the absolute minimum every software developer absolutely positively must know about Unicode and character sets. No excuses. Just go back to ASCII. Okay. I'm just going to go slow. So it starts talking about runes down here. We've been very careful so far. Strings hold bytes. And partly because the idea of a character is a little hard to define, the Unicode standard uses the term code point to refer to the item represented by a single value. The code point U plus 238 2318 with hexadecimal value 2318 represents the symbol blank. Yeah, okay. To pick a more prosaic example, the Unicode code point 61 is the lowercase Latin letter A. I see. To pick more but what about the lowercase grave accented letter grave and grave accented? Okay. Okay, I see. I see. There are normalization techniques that guarantee that a given character is always represented by the same code points, but that's the trick. Sorry, y'all. I'm like super reading from appears in libraries. Okay, code point is a bit of a mouthful. So Go introduces a shorter term for the concept, rune. Okay. And 32. So programs can be clear when an integer value represents a code point. Moreover, what you might think of a character constant is called a rune constant in Go. Oh, I see. Okay. Ah, Nietzsche. Encoding, right? Okay, hold on. Oh, by atmospherium. It's not goblets. C++. Definitely made the reverse of this mistake before. Wait, what mistake? Beef Viper. Did I make a mistake? Okay. Why isn't a string a constant? Because you can add to it. Wait. My first time. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, I can't follow that much writing right now. Here's a simple program that prints a string content with a single character 3 different ways. As a plain string, as an ASCII only coded string, and once as individual bytes in hexadecimal. Okay, so if I have runes, okay, so then this is human readable stringness. It is not a rune translation of the, what I need. So I need to figure out the rune for H, capital H, or the code point for capital H, and I need Unicode. Can I do like an encode rune? Wait, you want me to ban you because I'm like shadow banning you? I'm trying to read what you're saying, but I can't follow that much like parse text. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just don't really understand a raw, like I just can't follow. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm not meaning to like not understand you. I just can't read that much in chat and follow it. And escape sequences don't work with single quotes. So, okay, hold on. So is it as simple as like doing double, oh, Jesus. But I still don't think this would matter. I know what an escape sequence is. More abstract. What's the wrong thing to think? Just use a library? Or should I just push it through? Yeah, I could use a library, but what? I didn't say it shouldn't matter. Did I? Or that it shouldn't matter that Meomniplex used the word escape. I meant about the escape sequences. I'm sorry, it wasn't. I'm sorry, I don't. Single quote versus double quote definitely matters. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I'm just too tired. Sorry. I know it matters. It matters in fucking everywhere. Sorry. Just in not, I mean, it actually doesn't matter right everywhere, right? Because Python and, well, it does if you, especially if you have them enclosed, like even JavaScript will get mad at you if you have like, anyway, it doesn't matter. You can use them interchangeably, but you still need to use them. It's fine. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. So in this case, because I was doing single quotes, hold on. I'm just going to try to see. Oh, okay. Sorry. Just tell me that. But I still think, do I still need, okay, untyped string constant as byte value. Okay, so now I need to get these into the byte values. That's fine. So then I can probably use a library. Thank you for the follow, Haylene. Go string to bytes. Oh, good idea. That is a fantastic idea. It's probably Should I just look at UTF-8 or do you want me to just do string to byte? Hmm. Okay. Can someone play? I'll just play it. Play like. Okay. It's weird that. Hold on. Name a function after him. Good night, Fluff. Feel better. I'm using Golang tutorial.dev. It's probably not the best thing, but. Oh, no, I'm absolutely not using that. No. The tears we try. I have questions and a thing to try, but it's using a library and I'm too lazy to set up Go. Huh. That's fine. I can try something for you if you want. So I'm going to try this nonsense first, and then if this doesn't work, I will. Undefined response. Hold on. Wait a minute. I know what I did. I know. I'm sorry. Sorry. Why am I sorry? I don't know. Just let me be sorry. I don't. I put this in the queue, drink and code. This is my. I had like a craving to listen to it. Okay, so it says response declared and not used. Did I fuck up? Oh, because I put string instead of response, you nerd. Actually. String declared and not used. Wait, what did I just do? Hold on. I'm sorry. I understand. I understand. Oops. Sorry. I understand. I understand. I'm just getting used to the syntax. Gotta let a girl be her weirdo self sometimes. At least I read no new variables on left side of. That's interesting. What does var do? Good question. Well, I don't know. I just use. Oops. Wait, what? I just use this weird tutorial thing. So maybe it's wrong. Hold on. So I don't need it. I don't need it. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay. I can figure it out without you. You don't have to yell at me. JK, I can't figure it out with you. Don't leave. Don't leave me. I didn't copy paste. But yeah, you're right. I shouldn't have done it. Failed to read response. Okay. Let me just make sure I do this right. Let's get rid of this stupid nonsense. And then do code crafter. And go to 1. Okay. 1.1. 200 space. Okay. All right. All right. This is fine. Okay. All right. Expected reason to be okay. Got okay. Wait, I can just there's like a way to just it's just like control R or something, right? Hold on. If I just do R and I do K, brilliant. Okay. It's fine. I'm just sleepy now. Do I want to go through and like test it all? No, not really. Wait, what? Oh, that will uppercase it? Okay, cool. All right. So test passed. Brilliant. Okay, cool. This isn't so bad. Actually, I like this a lot. I like this a lot, a lot. Okay, let's keep going. Because even though I'm tired, celebrate! I wanna keep going for a little while longer. This is my introduction to Go, and I'm not sure if I like it or not. You think you understand? Okay, cool. You can either refactor your code or move to the next step. Excuse me. What am I doing after this? Where does it say next step? Why is it cranky at me? In progress. I just did it. I just did this. Why does it say in progress? I passed it. Fuck. Test passed. Mark stage is complete. Okay. Woohoo! Extract URL path. In this stage, your server will extract the URL path from the HTTP request and respond with either 200 or 400 depending on the path. An HTTP request, the hard way is how to learn the best. Oh yeah, for real. Now, what we did that we did it this way would FMT. Okay, let's go see. Do you want me to test it again? So I can say, so you want me to do, is that what you're looking for? The Omniplex? HTTP server. Oh no, there is already, hold on. Print F. Okay, one sec, me Omniplex. Okay, I got you. It missing an E. You're lying. You're being silly. Is this maps? This song is maps. Becca, I'm straight enough. Oh, say. Wait, they don't know. I did the next test, motherfucker. That's okay. Sorry about that. It just went to the next test. But sometimes it will like tell me that the old test didn't. It used to tell me that the old test didn't pass. Yeah, I think it would have worked. Banana. This thing. All right. So what we want to do now is we want to extract the URL from the path. They don't love me like I love you now. They don't love me like I love you. Wait. Okay, so this is the request target. So this is the request line. I see. So it starts with the HTTP request, which is get. Oh, this is the request line. I see. Celebrate! So it says get this endpoint via this protocol, and this is the CRLF. Then the header is the host. Okay, where is that host? Localhost 4221, and then carriage return and a new line. Then a user agent. This is just saying where you from. Curl 7.0. And then accept anything. I see. Oh, you landed safely. Yay, Bubbles. Okay, this isn't bad. So the request target specifies the URL path. Tester will send a GET request with a random string as a path. Server must respond to this request with a 404. Tester will send a GET request with the path home. Okay. I see. Okay, you can ignore the headers for now. You'll learn about parsing headers in a later stage. In this stage, the request target is written 4 possible formats. Okay. So right now, what's happening is I'm accepting any response. And it's saying not to parse the header, but I think I still need to. It's a good, fair. Ring, 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 banana phone. I wanna push you around, yeah, I will push you down. So I am not, okay, it is my understanding that I'm not yet processing the request here, except maybe accept could be somehow processing the request. So I am not doing, it's a good song. So unless, so the connect, so no, this is accepting the connection, right? Right. This is the response. It's fine. So then I have to parse the request. So what is this? So read. So we want to read the request. So we want to do con.read, right? Okay. From the API documents. So if we do oh no. Yes, con.read with a capital R. And that's not right. Hold on, let's see. We gotta see what it actually does. Okay. It reads the bytes. Reads data from the connection. Read can be made to timeout. Okay, so that's fine. So we do want to read from the connection. These are all important. Okay. So I do think I want to use read, but I don't know yet how. So I'm going to want to do byte to string in this case. So, okay. Okay. The easiest way to convert a byte array to a string. But why do we need to do that? Oh, because we need to, well, do we? Because we just need to process it. So why would we want to? I need the string so that I can. Well, I don't need to see the page being requested. The computer does, right? Yeah, it's the index.html after. But like, do I need to? All right, but let's go see. All right, let's go see. Let's see. If, and I could just do it right. Okay. So I need to read the request line. The tester will send you two HTTP requests. The first tester will send a GET request with a random string as well. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Must respond. Row 4. Okay. So I do want to read it. I want to, I mean, really. Well, that's fine, but if it's like, if there's anything there, I don't really need to know what it is. I just need to be like, there shouldn't be anything after that. Which is kind of cheaty, I guess, because I want to be looking for, I'd probably want like a router or maybe some kind of like, but this is the HTTP, right. That's not what would deal with here, right? I got that. That's not incorrect the way I'm thinking about that. I don't, so the weird thing is Code Crafter says, hold on, watch this. So it says, ignore the headers for now. Oh, okay. But we do have to parse the request. Okay, that's fine. The request target is written as a URL path, but the request target actually has 4 possible formats. An origin form, an absolute form, an authority form, and an asterisk form. Okay. With a query. Okay. That's good to know. I'm just going to. All right. So you're right. All right. So I want to parse it first. Con.read and what? So if I say, and I do, that's probably a bad thing to name it. And instead I want request. All right, so if I have request, and this might not be the right idea, but okay. Oh, thank you for the follow, McCummer. I actually think I might be getting too tired for this. And this is like super fun, to be honest. I'm having like a blast. Read. Okay. To a space? But if this is like, what's the space here though? Oh, this guy. I see. Like you're parsing the carriage return. Yeah. Okay, so I'm super. Yep. Yep, I got it. I'm excited about this, but I'm finding myself very, very tired. And you can see like I'm like my eyes are sinking in and I'm getting sleepy. But I won't mind like doing this. I don't think I need to do part 3 next week. I think I'll have time this week sometime. So but yeah, but let's like count on it for next week right now. But if I like stream earlier, I'll let y'all know and we can do it sooner because I think it'd be fun. I was thinking like tomorrow afternoon, to be honest, if y'all are down. Like maybe like I have a meeting I think at 1, but then maybe after that meeting I might do some more code tomorrow. I think that'd be a good time. No? Anybody? I think it'd be a good time. Yeah, let's do a daytime stream. I have 3 meetings tomorrow on the Omniplex, but I think my last meeting might be at 1. Yeah, you should absolutely be in bed at noon. I don't think I'll do noon. I might do 3, if anything, which is 12 Pacific time. No, I try to avoid meetings if I can, but with the state of my job, it's probably not going to be a meeting avoiding situation. So, by the way, McCoomer, thank you for the follow. And Drink and Code, thanks for hanging out and giving me thoughts. Hey, Lane, thank you for the follow. I'm really stupid tired right now though. I went from like 50 to 0. And also I'm thinking of lifting again. So if you guys are down for like some lifting, it's gonna be weak though. It's gonna be weak sauce. So maybe I might lift tomorrow or do part 3. We'll see. So we'll see. We'll see. But okay. All right. We are going to raid ear. Because Erin is the best. And but this is fun. I've had a lot of fun doing this. I actually think I'm enjoying this so much more than I was before. Beef Viper, thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate you. It's been fun. Oh, work debugging call. That sucks. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. We will talk soon. It's been a blast. I'm sorry I couldn't stay up a little later, but I will be back. I'll be back. All right. Bye. Oh, let's do a raid call. Let's do a raid call. We never do a raid call. Let's do some jamming jellies and like 2 raid call at the raider bots at the end and maybe like a hello. Right? What do we think? What do we think? Like 2, like a raid, some jelly jams, a raid. That'd be great. And then add in a hello after, like a hello if you want after. Okay, great. All right, y'all. Thank you so much. We're going to raid. Talk to you soon. Bye.